Which of these following expressions are equivalent to the absolute value of a minus b? Now this problem may seem easy, but to solve it, you really have to know what is absolute value. Now some of you might think, well, absolute value is just the positive of everything, right? Because, well, you know that the absolute value of 3 is 3 because positive 3 is positive 3. And the absolute value of negative 4 is 4 because, well, the positive of negative 4 is 4. But really, what absolute value is the distance from that given number to 0. For example, we know that the absolute value of 7 is 7 because on a number line, well, 7 is 7 away from 0, which is basically its starting point. So if you start at 0, well then think of it as moving all the way up to 7, and that's 7 units or 7 or something like just 7. And similarly, say negative 5, take the absolute value of negative 5, that's 5 because on a number line, negative 5 is 5 away from 0, or if you start from 0, you can go left 5 steps to get to negative 5. Now, how do we use that here? Well, this absolute value of a minus b part, well, that's basically, well, that a minus the b, so that's really just that little part between a and b, right? Because, well, you're starting with a to 0, and then you're subtracting off that little segment of b. Well, hey, that's your answer, right? Because we start with the distance from a to 0, and that's the absolute value of 0, right? The distance, a given number, a, is from 0. That's a steps, and then you subtract off, well, the distance from b to 0, which is the absolute value of b, which means our answer is just a.